G'day everyone, I'm just going to do a test of my new Canon EOS M50 camera. I'm actually holding the camera now with just my hand. I haven't got a tripod or a gimbal at the moment, and I'm just going to see how the footage is, just walking along here, just to see how steady it is. I've got digital IS enabled at the moment, so I'm just walking outside. It's quite windy. And once again, I am just walking along and holding the camera, watching where I go obviously, just walking around with the camera held in my hand. Now I've heard some people say that it will actually work a lot better if you connect it to a tripod, like a Gorilla Pod, and it'll be a lot steadier. So we'll see how we're going. So at the moment I'm just walking around holding the camera, just vlogging, watching where I'm walking as well. Hopefully I don't step on anything. And just walking around the backyard to see how the footage turns out. Okay, now I'm holding the Canon EOS M50 with the Joby Gorilla Pod, and I'm just walking around. I'll just walk outside as well like I did before. I'm just in the garage at the moment, but I'm just walking out and watch where I step. Now I've got digital IS on, stabilization on, so I'm just walking around to see what it's like. Just walking in the backyard just to check it out, because I took a video last week with the camera with no digital IS in stabilization, and it came out really shaky. Now just walking around the backyard, and I'll also turn the camera around. I'm actually holding it with the Gorilla Pod at the moment, but I'll turn it around and I'll walk around the yard, and hopefully you can see how stable it is when I edit it. And it is very windy today, so... Okay, I'm back again, and I'm actually in the garage again, and I've got image stabilization set to enhanced. What I've noticed is it does crop in the image. Sorry, I'm just going to watch where I'm walking because I've got the dog out here. It does zoom in a bit more because obviously I'm holding the camera at the same distance as I was before, and everything looks a bit larger on the screen. I'm actually looking at the screen, sorry, I'm not looking at the viewfinder, but I'm looking at the screen at the moment, just so I can frame myself in the picture. But we'll just walk around and see how the stabilization is, just in my backyard. So I can't tell using the touch screen on how it looks. We'll find out in the editing. And I'll turn the camera around. Now remember, I'm just using the tripod, Joby tripod. Walk around. So image stabilization is on enabled and it's on enhanced at the moment. So just walking around, and I'm not using any gimbal, I'm just walking around with digital stabilization on enhanced. Okay, I'm back again, and for the final test I'm starting it on no digital IS at all. So basically it's on disabled and no stabilization at all. So basically I'll just walk around, just exit the garage now, just watch where I'm walking. So no stabilization at the moment, just walking around and looking at the LCD screen at the moment. I can't actually see it twitching or jerking too much footage wise, because obviously it's only a 3-inch screen, but the proof will be in the pudding when I take the footage and put it through the editor and see how we're going. So I'm just walking around, just normal pace in the backyard, and now I'll turn the camera around and I'll walk in a straight line just to see how it looks in the final product will look. So remember, I'm not using any stabilization at all. I've disabled it, and I'm just walking normally in the backyard. Okay, I'm back again. I've turned image stabilization on, and I'm about to export all this footage and put it into my editor to check it out. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of all the settings, whether you think it looks better with enhanced or enabled IS, or obviously it will look better than having it disabled. But any thoughts, any comments, just please hit me up below, and remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much for watching.